grade sithi first year thina grade 1 first year thina sakhuluma indaba zama-grade first year. It was 1918 funda ke ukukhulela ke. This is Babu Dr. Babu Sisi Wajabula mfana umhleja khehlela umzulu abancinisa ngesonto futhi ngixolisele ukugqila senjalo lento le. Lana ngiphathele itopic ethi isigubhu uthwaletshe isigubhu uthwaletshe. Yazi la emnyangeni, if we can treat umnyanga like Chinese medicine, by far will be intimidating kwi faculty of natural medicine. By far. Ama-China ayahlonishwa with their Chinese medicine. CTM today is practiced globally. People, they think if they're doing CTM, Chinese treatment medicine, bayibona ukuthi ngathi benza into enkulu kanti bafunda imithi yobunyanga nje base-China, because ama-China, when they venture into CTM, they made sure ukuthi they put a pressure ukuthi everybody must recognize it. Thina, we as izinyanga, we write it in books, siwafihle lo mabhuku, singafuni nishingane zethu ziwafunde. Njengamanje sinenkinga yentsha enohlaselwa uphuzo oludakayo. Intsha lento ibabambe eMovosity, babambe eMaresi, babambe yonke indawo, and obaba abadala baba nje inkinga yotshwala. And then lento ke yotshwala kuzofuza ukuthi sithi face off once siphume kuyona futhi. Wazi ukuthi at least lo muntu udakwa nje uyakwazi ukumelapha ukuthi wena ufuna ukumelapha. Simple as that. Angifuni ukuthi lo muntu wakho njobe edakwa uyakwazi ukumelapha kodwa wena vesa ufuna ukumelapha. Asikunike ke ithako edingekayo umoyekisa umuntu utshwala. Ungawubali, ungayikhathaza umsangane into ekuthiwa ubisi lengulube. Nah, it never happened. Ubisi lengulube bathini, it's a goat milk. No, pig's milk. It does not have worms. No, it does not have parasite. It does not have parasite. People who says pigs milk it has parasite, that person was lying. That person was lying. Actually, it has worms. You eating anything that has worms. You can never be treating anyone with worms. Worms doesn't treat anyone. There's a problem that we have encountered. It has worms, simple as that, because of its nature. Okay, fine. Asilapheke umuntu onenkinga yophuzo olutshwala. Yabona umbila, isikhwebu sombila. Lento sibiza ukuthi corn silk oil. Corn. Ngipela ucorn manje. CORN